Okay, 2010 F-150. Of course, the alternator goes in the middle of the woods. We'll start with this 5/16 and these clamps. That one already loosened, that one already loosened. Pop that off. Let's get the negative off on the battery. 8mm. This is why you should always have tools on you. Alright, so battery's disconnected. Got a plug here on the alternator. It's like a 1/2 inch or a 13mm here. Doesn't matter. There we go, 1/2 inch. There, I'll put that there. So don't lose it. There's the wiring off of it. Put that with there. So now we got, these ones are 10mm. Might be able to, Charlie, you want to grab, here's this impact. You grab an extension for that and then put this on it.
Okay, where's the extension?
Right in the socket set back there. Okay. I'll loosen all these and then we can. No, right behind me on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Hurt your knees?
Yeah.
All right, try not to take your head up. There you go, bud. All right, don't lose them, whatever you do. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Loosen?
Yep. Left. Nope, left. There you go. Keep going. Go ahead. That's good. Was it warm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right here, right here. That's for the thermostat. You don't want to do that one. There you go. Okay. I'll do those too. Holy cow, that's hot. I'll put that like, just take that off so it doesn't fall off. There we go. This one's. All right, so this one had the bracket, 10mm, or the it's a stud one on the bracket. So just to remind me, I'll just put an S, the stud. There's that. Now we gotta get the belt off, bud.
Okay.
So I've got the 1/2 inch bar on here, or 1/2 inch ratchet. I don't have a bar, but I got this hitch in there to try to get more on it, because I gotta get some leverage. There we go. That worked. Now looks like we got 1, 2, is that it? 2 10s? They look like 10. So here's a 10 and a 12. Throw that 10 on this way. Careful with hitting hoses, they're hot right now. Okay, put it on that down there. Here, let me get,
I can't see it. Oh,
let me
I
get
see
a
it.
headlight, buddy.
I see it. Yeah, everything's hot right now. Everything's hot.
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold the power button. Here, push it.
Alright, so you got that. Alright, so show them the wrench trick that I taught you.
Okay.
There you go. Nope. Got it? You're gonna slip. So if you take it this way, there you go. Now pick up on it. There you go, it's moving.
How's it first?
See if I can do it here. Wanna hold the light for me on this side?
Yeah.
That's the hardest job, isn't it? Holding the light.
Mm-hmm.
This stuff's easy as long as you just keep trying. Probably have a few more tools than most people on the side of the road. We're back in the woods. Where's the extension for this? Thanks, bud. But don't need an impact, it just makes life easier. These again are 10 mil down here. Luckily we're not that far from an advanced auto. Oh, those you don't have to take out all the way. That's cool. Look at that. This is hot. Yeah, see, it's got those nice.
It's just bad.
So what was happening was I was only getting 13 volts out of it. You're supposed to have 14.7. That's why the battery kept dying. And now it's totally dead. So, all right. So I'll be back with the new one and put that in. Holy crap, that's hot. Just hit the button. All right, cool. I'm back with the alternator. I got the light rigged up there. It's funny, I forgot these hoods are aluminum. So anyways, here we go. So it's got the grooves. Drops right in. Bracket. 10 millimeters. Stud one goes here. Okay. And I got the 10 millimeter on here. I didn't smell, I'm just gonna do this one first. It gets in there. Definitely a nice thing to have when you're out here. Just the impact with the half drive adapter. Awesome little adapter. This one here. So after we're done, I'll check the voltage. We should be 14.7 is usually what you want. It was barely 13. It was like 12.9 or something when I was running. So I don't know the torque specs of all these. Right now I don't really care because, like I said, we're out in the woods. There we go. We got all those done. Got the wire this little guy pushes on there. You should put some dielectric on here, but on this terminal, but again, I don't have any. I should have grabbed some, but put that back on. Don't kill this one because it's the lug on there. There's the cap. Plug. Put the plug in. Also, wouldn't be a bad idea to use dielectric on that one too. So we're not going to need that one anymore. Okay, so now we're hooking the belt back up. This just gets me that extra leverage. Right back. So I'm just using a half inch ratchet down here on the tensioner. Get that off. Okay, that there. Then we got this to hook back up. There. There. Just in time, baby.
You done?
Yeah, we'll be able to have you start it, and then I'll check the voltage coming out. I'm videoing real quick. It doesn't matter. Just gotta hook that up. Hope I put this. How did that even let me do that? Hook the negative terminal back up. I'm probably in front of the camera the whole time. Grab all the tools. I use this for a breaker bar. And jump starter box. Are the keys on the seat? Cool. Now I'm just gonna grab. Okay. Volts DC. So that's ready. Jump starter box. These are nice. This is a DB power one. These things blow all the time though, and you got to replace those, which stinks. So maybe I should get a higher quality one. Hook up the positive. Hook up the negative. All right, go ahead, baby. Oh, too much. All right, try it again. Go ahead, try it again. All right, let me get the other battery. That doesn't matter.
You said that last time and then I had to.
Really?
Yeah.
All use it. Maybe it only matters if it's a lower voltage. Let me try it. On. Okay, try it now. Alright. It's all good. Let's see what kind of voltage we got. .5, so we're good now. 13. Hopefully you can see that good. 14.5 volts.